Follow-up day. Follow-up day. Control. The overnight. The overnight. Now and then. Caught stealing. The Hawke. The Hawke. Crash course. Crash course. Hand off. Hand off. Pilot. Season 1, episode number 1. Starting over isn't easy, especially for small-town guy John Nolan, who, after a life-altering incident, is pursuing his dream of being a police officer. The Hunt. Season 2, episode number 20. Nolan's discovery goes much deeper than he expected and could put his life and career in jeopardy. Breaking Point. Season 2, episode number 9. Officer Nolan's trust is tested when he tries to help the previous owner of his home reconnect with his family. Meanwhile, Officer Harper has finally earned an overnight visit with her daughter that is put into jeopardy when her past undercover life resurfaces again. Heartbreak. Season 1, episode number 12. The most dangerous day of the year, Valentine's Day, has the team on high alert, and Officer Nolan invites everyone over for a party now that he is single. Fallout. Season 2, episode number 6. An emergency alert of an impending missile attack sends Los Angeles into chaos and uncertainty, while the officers each try to keep the peace and deal with their own disasters. Tough Love. Season 2, episode number 5. As part of their second phase of training, the rookies are asked to develop their first confidential informants. Officer Nolan soon discovers that no two informants are the same and struggles with his newest task. Meanwhile, Officer Chen's mother complicates her home life when she comes to stay with her. The Bet. Season 2, episode number 3. Officer Nolan navigates building tension in his relationship with Jessica and a developing rapport with Grace while working a high-stakes criminal case involving an undercover Homeland Security agent. Meanwhile, Officer Chen meddles with Officer Bradford's love life, and Officer Lopez learns some surprising news about Wesley. Homefront. Season 1, episode number 18. When one of their colleagues is arrested by internal affairs for lying on the witness stand, it leads to the release of 3 felons whose cases he worked on, and the team being asked to check in on them now that they are free. Meanwhile, Officer Nolan finds out he is being sued by a man who claims he used excessive force, which led to an injury. The Shake-Up. The Roundup. Season 1, episode number 5. Nolan, the rookies and their training officers get involved in a competition that pits them against each other. Chen notices Bradford is obsessed with winning at all costs. The Good, the Bad, and the Ugly. Casualties. Casualties. The switch. Safety. Safety. The ride along. The ride along. Redwood. Redwood. Impact. Impact. Flesh and blood. Flesh and blood. The checklist. Plainclothes day. Under the gun. Under the gun. Clean cut. The Q word. The Q word. The dark side. Standoff. Standoff.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care. Bye.